Welcome to Made in Text. You may know that WhatsApp comes with built-in feature that allows you to make your text messages italic, bold, strike through, and monospace. But there are many other stylish fonts as well that you can use in WhatsApp messages. In this video, we are going to explore many different WhatsApp font styles. So let's start. First of all, let's try built-in WhatsApp fonts. Number 1. Italic font. To make text italic, add underscore before and after your text that you want to make italic. Number 2. Bold font. To make text bold, add asterisk sign before and after your text. Number 3. Strike-through font. Strike-through font will add line in middle of your text. To type strike-through font, add tilde sign before and after the text. Number 4. Monospace font. For monospace font, you need to add 3 backticks before and after the text. That will make your text thinner and lighter. Now let's move towards our main trick. Open madeintext.com/WhatsApp font in your browser. Link is also in description. This is WhatsApp font generator that can generate the font to use in your WhatsApp messages. And you don't need to install any additional application. You can bookmark this page to use in future. Here you just need to enter the text you want to generate. Instantly you'll have the list of so many different fonts and you can preview your message here. To copy any font style, you just need to click on that font and it will be copied on your clipboard that you can easily paste in your WhatsApp message box. Let me show you the example. I'm going to copy this first double struck font. Just click on it once and it will be copied on your clipboard. Now I will paste the copied text in my WhatsApp message box. Let me try some other font. This is another popular underline font. I'll click on it and it has been copied on my clipboard. Now I will paste in my message box. By this way, you can write your messages in many different font styles and make your message text different and special. I hope this WhatsApp font generator tool will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you.